Welcome to the panOpen Instructor video series. In this video, we will learn how to add quiz attempts and how to edit other quiz settings. First, open up the book to the chapter and quiz that you would like to edit. Click on the Edit Quiz button by hovering over the quiz with your mouse. Note that if you try to edit a quiz that has already been taken by at least one student, a message will appear prompting you to duplicate the quiz. Choose Duplicate, and the new quiz will appear in the book. Starting with the settings at the top left and moving down, let's start with the option to shuffle questions and to shuffle answers. To choose one or both of these options, check the box or boxes next to each option. Next, you can choose when you would like students to view their answers and the correct responses. The option Let Students See Their Assessment Responses is checked by default. If you uncheck it, the students will not have the option to see their responses or answers. By checking Let Students See Their Assessment Responses, you may also choose to let students see their responses only after their last attempt. By checking that choice, and to allow students to see the correct answers, by checking Let Students See the Correct Answers. Next, the default number of attempts is the number of attempts that a student has to take the quiz. You can change this by clicking on it and changing the number to the number of attempts you would like to allow your students to have. Leaving the field empty will give students unlimited attempts. You also have the option to add another question to the quiz. You can do this by first clicking on the arrow above the Add Question button to name the type of question which it is. Next, you add the question by clicking on the green Add Question button underneath Question 1. New question and answer boxes come up and they are empty. Type the question you would like to be a part of the quiz into this, along with the answers in the answer boxes. You also have the option to add more questions by clicking the Add Answer button and to choose which is the correct answer by checking the box next to the correct answer. If you would like to change the feedback that is given, click on the correct feedback box and type in what you would like your students to see when they get the correct answer. Do the same for the incorrect feedback box if you want your students to see new or different responses when they receive the incorrect answer. To save all of your changes, click on the Publish tab on the bottom left-hand side of the quiz.